The MaxxTraxx appointment calendar is a great tool for keeping track of appointments and future workload. The calendar can be used to view the total appointments and hours for a given day, as well as make appointments for days that you still have hours available. The first step is to tell MaxxTraxx the amount of hours available for appointments per day. Go to the Setups menu, then the General category on the left side of the window and click on line A, Company Information. Scroll down the tabs on the left until you find Display, then click on it. Near the middle of the window there will be a box to record the available hours. The simplest way to figure these hours is to multiply the number of technicians you employ by the number of hours they work. In this case, 2 technicians at 8 hours per day plus a part-time apprentice working 4 hours per day give me a total of 20 hours available per day. You may want to use a different formula for your shop. To view and use the calendar, click on the Appointment Calendar tab in the Service Counter view. This will show you the calendar for the current and following 4 weeks. You can scroll through the previous or future months by using the green navigation arrows, as well as using the Calendar button to search for dates. Click on the Today button to return to the current time period. The display shows day by day how many appointments you have booked, the estimated hours, and the percentage of how full your shop is for the day. When the date on the schedule is not in any danger of being overbooked, there will be no change in background color. When the date goes past 33% of capacity, the background will turn yellow. When the date goes past 67% of capacity, the background will turn orange. And finally, when the date is overbooked, the background will switch to a reddish color. There are 2 ways to view and make appointments for a given date using the appointment calendar. One way is to double-click on the date and the appointments will display on the Service Counter window. From the Service Counter, you can scroll through the dates using the same green navigation arrows in the upper right of the window. Whatever day is displayed will be the date the appointment is created for. To make an appointment for that day, click the Appointment box at the upper right of the Service Counter window. Note that the appointment date defaults to the day displayed on the Service Counter screen. In order to have the system calculate the shop loading, you must include the estimated hours in the Quoted Hours field. Please note that this is the estimated hours needed to complete the repair or service. It is what MaxxTraxx will use to compute the percentage of how filled the shop is. Within a few seconds, the system will update the appointment calendar. The other way to view and make appointments is slightly different. Just right-click on the appointment date. This opens a window with all the appointments listed. From here, you can add a new appointment, as well as edit or delete an existing appointment. The MaxxTraxx appointment calendar is an excellent tool to make sure your shop stays busy and does not get overbooked. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.